Okay.
Good morning, everyone. Dr. Alexandre de Luca. I'm the PhD from Brazil. I'm very excited for the next November 1st in Santa Barbara workshop of Ozonetherapy. I'm gonna discuss about what improvement your patients. I have a long follow-up for my patients. More than 10,000 patients in OBGs, general practice, surgery for wounds, diabetes, hypertension, detoxification, and many for pain. Enjoy your stay in Santa Barbara for one day, a whole day. I'm gonna explain about theoretic of ozonotherapy and practice. You're gonna at the same time learn how to use it safely, using at the same time homotoxicology of heal products, at the same time using ozone, a wonderful molecule for cancer patients. At the same time you can use neurotherapy, and you can see how can you improve it, your patients at the same time, and healing as fast as possible. I'm gonna enjoy it all day with me, a large experience with doing ozone, neurotherapy, and homotoxicology. Enjoy staying in Santa Barbara, and we will see you soon. Thank you.